YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is two of the Straight Talk Samsung Galaxy J7 Crown prepaid smartphone. I got this out of Walmart.com when they sent me an email that they were having a Cyber Monday sale. Original retail for each phone is about $199.99 retail, and on sale for $79.99 each cell phone. So I bought, they have a limit of 2 cell phone per purchase. So I bought 2 of them for $159.98. Shipping, it is free. The tax is $14. So the total for this package is $173.98. So let's go ahead and check out this description real quick. So the key feature for this is CDMA-V, and it has a 5.5-inch HD display. You have a 13 megapixel on the main camera, which is on the rear, and then another 13 megapixel on the front-facing camera. The memory size, it is 16 gigabyte of storage or RAM, and then 2 gigabyte of RAM. You could expandable up to 400 gigabyte with the micro SD card. Operating system is Android 8.0 Oreo. Dimension is 6.03 inch by 3 inch by 0.34 inch thickness. Processor is 1.56 gigahertz octa-core. Battery is 3300 milliamp. And then manufacturer part number is STS, A as in Apple, and then S again, 767, V as in Victor, C, PAN. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm going to open it up on the bottom. As you can see, it has a lithium-ion battery. Warning notice. Hopefully it doesn't explode during the delivery. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Oh, there is invoice. So I'm not sure whoever typed in the invoice, they only charge you $7 for one. But on my email, it shows I got charged for two, $14. Okay. So they wrap it in a bubble wrap, which is nice. I gotta get my knife. Just fold it away. Oh yeah. There you go. J7 Crown. Straight Talk wireless. I'm not sure. I never used their service. I mainly purchased for the phone. It's a 10 gigabyte, $45 a month. That's kind of expensive. No contract, 30-day plan, talk, text, and then data. So I guess they use a Verizon service, CDMA. Here's the serial number and everything. California Prop 65 warning for cancer causing. Straight Talk Wireless. Phone cannot be activated unless scanned at register. No contract, no overage charges, no activation fee. That's good, no activation fee. But their monthly service is kind of expensive. Open this up real quick. Wow, I like it because they have an ultra power saving mode. When you turn on that power saving mode, this the battery lifetime will last longer. So their unlimited is $55 at the 4G LTE speed. So I'm not sure if they slow down after a certain gigabyte. So in case you are the user watching this, please drop a comment on below so I can share with my viewers. Let's see. Open. So I'm just gonna open one up since it is a duplicate item. Yeah, the color's coming out. So it is glued down. That means I gotta insert my knife. More work. I believe with the AT&T, they have like a strip for you to pull, like a pull tab. So you don't have to struggle with this opening. There you go. Oh, there's a card that I'm not supposed to show. Let's see. Well, I give you the SIM card and then a serial number. So here are the pamphlet. And then this is the service guide. I guess it's an instruction booklet. Get started about your Straight Talk wireless service. How to use your Straight Talk wireless phone. So it comes with this charging brick. Your charging cable. Oh, there's a SIM card ejection tool. Let's see, let's open this up real quick. Let's check this out. So it comes with this term and condition of service. I never use this Straight Talk, so what? So freaking small font. How I'm gonna read this? I need like a big magnifying glass in order to read that. And then here is a quick reference manual. So here is a charging cable, original. I'm not sure it's and then ejection tool. That's nice. I don't think this is a fast charging brick or adapter. Normally you will have like a lightning bolt if it's a fast charging. Nope. So this one is a 1.55 amperage, which is not 2.1 above. The fast charging is 2.1. Let's go and then check out the phone. So I like the Samsung because you get to change the battery out when the battery is bad or getting old. Let me see. So I guess this one you cannot change the battery. Surprise. That's why it comes with that SIM card tool. Anyway, let's go ahead and power this on real quick. I have the J3, and then it is still a very nice phone. So the way it builds remind me of like an iPhone. It's rounded. Let me turn on the light, and because since it's black on black, it's kind of hard to film. There you go, much better. So as you can see, you got the 3.5 millimeter jack right there. You got your micro USB charging port right there, your microphone. And here is your SIM card, probably SIM card and plus micro SD card tray. There is your volume up and down rocker. There's your additional microphone right there on the top. So at first I thought it was a gap to pry out the back door or battery cover. That is actually a speaker right there. And this is the power button. And then that's it. You got your 13 megapixel, your LED flash, and then your Samsung brand right here. So I'm not sure why this screen it is so dim. Let me try to remove this plastic protective. So you want me to do all this activation and everything. So let's see. Don't want to scratch. There you go. Oh, so the film it is darkened. It's like a tinted window. Oh my god, so dark. This is the first time I encounter unboxing with the tinted screen protector. So anyway, this is how bright let me see. I cannot put it down right now. So I'm not sure if this capacitive button is will light up or not. Probably not, because this is like a low budget phone. There is your 13 megapixel, your ambient light sensor right there, proximity sensor. Okay, not sure you can see it. There's your speaker grill, your home button, your back button, and then your multitask button right here. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. I think this is a pretty awesome deal. So if you guys want, I'm checking out right now on Walmart, and the deal is still going on. I guess they extended probably Cyber Week or something. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace.